Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule refresh on file and folder sources in Power BI. First, you need to ensure your Power BI desktop file is saved and published to the Power BI service. This foundational step is crucial for enabling any scheduled refresh. Next, we'll dive into setting up the necessary components in the Power BI service to connect to your local data sources. This process ensures your reports stay up-to-date automatically, saving you time and effort. To begin, you must install the on-premises data gateway on a computer that will remain online and accessible to your data sources. Once installed, sign in with your Power BI account and register the gateway. Then, within the Power BI service, navigate to Manage Gateways and add a new data source. Select File or Folder as the data source type and provide the exact local path to your data. This establishes the critical link between your online Power BI dataset and your local files. With your gateway and data source configured, navigate to your workspace in the Power BI service and find the dataset associated with your report. Click on the three dots next to the dataset and select Settings. Under the Gateway Connection section, ensure your newly configured gateway is selected and the data source credentials are correct. Then, expand the Scheduled Refresh section. Enable the refresh, choose your desired frequency, such as daily, and select specific times for the refresh to occur. You can add up to 8 daily refresh slots. After setting up your scheduled refresh, it's important to monitor its status regularly. In the dataset settings, you can view the refresh history to see if refreshes are succeeding or failing. If a refresh fails, examine the error details provided. Common issues include incorrect file paths, gateway offline status, or credential problems. Troubleshooting often involves verifying gateway connectivity and data source settings. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.